Testing, testing. Alright, hey guys, welcome to my channel. So, what I got for you guys today is something you wouldn't expect. I went to Target today, and they sell Gunpla. So I got the bag out here, it's too noisy. So I got the RX-78-2 Gundam. Is this from the Origin? No, this is a Granddaddy Gundam from the first series. I already built this kit, but I want another one. I messed up on the other one, and I want to do a tutorial on how to weather and paint it by hand and all that for you guys. And I also got a master grade Barbatos. Yep, that's what it is, Barbatos. So this is going to be my first non-UC Gundam. Is that right? Yeah. I've been mostly building UC Gundams, and I'm guessing this is a different universe. So yeah, but before I unbox these, I want to bring out something special. Not that kind. So, this is a PM 2.5 face mask from Newtypehq. Newtypehq has been sending me a lot of cool stuff. You can see. Get a close zoom. They have a little breather over here, and it has interchangeable filters, which is good. And PM 2.5, if I'm not mistaken, also doubles as a painting face mask. So yeah, I'm excited about that. They're also running a promotion. I'll deal with this later. That's not a promotion, so to speak, but they're running a charity. If you buy some of their stickers, these ones I bought two just to support, it goes to charity, and they are doing a drawing too, so you get a chance to win. I'm not too sure what it is. The metal build or the titanium finish new Gundam. Oh, I also want to let you guys know that this is adjustable. There's a little grommet over here. You can loosen it up, tighten it up, get rid of it if it's too tight. That also helps just to make sure. There's a little chin guard over here. Really better than your standard N95, because this is also good for painting and whatnot, airbrushing, all the fumes. Yeah, as I've been wearing this for maybe about a week already, and I love it. People look at me. not for reasons you would expect, but it's probably just because of the mask. So yeah, thanks Newtypehq for sending this, and I'll continue to use that. Also, they send you a extra filter. I'm not sure where to get these filters at, but you could probably find it on Amazon, or go to Newtypehq and inquire about the filters. Maybe they have refills for you. So yeah. Okay, so back to the models. So I got these at Target. They're perfectly sealed. There's this sticker on the front that says use a nipper, no glue required, and the colored plastic. So yeah, let's go ahead, put the camera overhead, and start with the unboxing, so I can wash these and start painting them. Alright, so we have the RX-78 Gundam. If you can see that. Sorry, I'm burping. Not too much glare. Good. We have some information. Let me see if you guys can see that. Box art, different poses and weapons. You have warnings. All right, let's open it up. Hopefully, all the bags are sealed. Is this the same box? Yes. Let me grab something real fast. So, this is actually the same box I used for the last video I made for the painting stations. Just put that on the side. So yeah, is it? Has the box art changed? Nope, everything's the same. Yep. Okay, put that on the side. What do we got? Trash. Clean that up later. And ta-da! So, we'll get to the gates. I just want to showcase the book. Doesn't smell like anything. The box was open. Got different poses. Yeah, from what I remember, the instructions are in color. And it's very, very confusing how you open this, because usually you get a book. This, oh, okay. Not all the instructions are in color, my bad. But yeah, this is pretty much it. This is all you need. So let me see if I can. I might have to fix it in post. All the parts and the box art. Actually, I can just keep it low like this. Hopefully you guys can see. It's not upside down. So yeah, not much to it, but to do it, you know what I mean? I'm excited. I want to watch this as soon as I can. Actually, I'm more excited about what is in the Barbatos, because I've never seen any unboxing videos, or I've seen built videos about it. Okay, let me, actually I'm gonna throw that away. I don't need bags. Did I just run out of space? Come on, dude. Alright. Sorry, my camera died in the middle of the unboxing video. I might have to just do this one first and then save the Barbatos for another day. Alright, so let's get to it. These are the only stickers you're gonna get. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, you can see that on camera. I'm trying to, oh, I zoomed out a little bit because I'm having the habit of putting the thing on, or putting the thing up close. Okay, so shall we go in alphabetical order? So the one with the most colors, of course, is going to be gate A. Simple. Am I in shot? Yes. Simple, not too extravagant. The same if you paint it up, do some work to it, it'll look nice and decent. So yeah, You got your shield, your chest, your back, your foot. Really like it. It's simple. Probably take you about maybe an hour just to build. Pretty cool. This is B. So the white parts, the legs, the arms, the shoulders, the head, miscellaneous stuff like, what is that? It's gonna be like some kind of joint, or I'm not too sure what you call it. Skirts, pretty cool. Gate C. Your inner frame, which it really doesn't have, it just snaps together. It doesn't have like a build armor around the inner frame, it just has the metal parts, the gun metal parts. Your weapons, your hands, bazooka. Am I in shot? Yeah, I'm in shot, okay. And your backpack. Polycaps. These are more rubber than plastic. These are flexible. These are what help your Gundam bend and decompose. And beam sabers. You get 2 because most Gundams come with 2 beam sabers. I usually don't use the beam sabers because more parts to worry about. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me check the time. Also guys, since I have this mic, I am thinking about doing an ASMR, like real ASMR building. I'm gonna use my my Walmart nippers. It just makes a more pleasing sound. The snap of you cutting the gates and all that. It just makes a more pleasing sound. So I might make a legit ASMR channel, maybe building this. From Newtypehq, I have a TR-1 Hazel Custom coming, high grade. I didn't know until after I bought the high grade that they made a master grade, but I like the high grade's color scheme. Also, I can make a easy YouTube video on how to do stuff on that. So we'll just go ahead and do the Barbatos. Barbatos, raise your flag. All right. Well, this came with a lot of gates compared to I know. Sweet, there's a samurai sword. Jeez, that's a lot of gates. Not as much as the Barbatos I have, which I'm stockpiling. I'm gonna build them eventually. Oh my god, I'm excited to build this. This looks like a beast, like legitimately. Okay, I'm knocking parts off. All right, so let's take a look at the book first. Barbatos. I'm gonna just flip through this. Bear with me. Yeah, see, this is a master grade book. All the part displays. Where's the instructions on how to do stuff? If I can find it. Oh, right here. Awesome. I just skipped it. I always like these parts just to see if anything changed, and nothing's pretty much changed. Boy. Why are you... turning off? So here's the book. Same thing like last time. Just gonna flip through it. There's a lot and a lot of pages. This is a 23 page book. Just full of parts. And it's so crisp I can't even turn the page. Parts display. gates if you're missing one. Just your typical book. I wonder how difficult this one's gonna be. The real grade New Gundam gave me a hard time just because I didn't know the orientation of some parts. I had to guesstimate and have my handy dandy hobby knife to split the parts. Stickers, and then the final product. So I like this kit. Okay, there's a lot of parts. I'm not too sure if we can get through them all. So we're gonna start with A. If I can get it out. Giggity. Sticker on the side, I'll show you guys that after. I'm not too familiar what is what, so I guess as good as mine. All I know is this is the V-fin, supposedly. What part is this? I'm just gonna open it, not in alphabetical order. So. Oh, okay. These are cool. I like the samurai sword. Weapons. Hopefully black shows up. Not too... Oh, this is cool too. I like the pink. The pink. You put some LEDs or some trippy paint behind that. It'll look cool. Some holograph, some glitter or something. Gold parts. Don't know what these are for. Like I said, I've never built it, and I've only watched the first season, maybe. Only a couple of episodes on the first season of IBO, so I mean, I love the design and the feel of it. It feels kind of like Gundam Wing, which, you know, in my teens I've watched. These are inner frame parts, I believe. Yeah, they have the markings like inner frames, so I'm guessing it is. Okay. Be careful not to cut your hands when opening this. I'm just using a dull blade here. Oh, there's something in here too. Ooh, stickers. Okay. Blue parts. Can't be a Gundam without blue. Just kidding. There's a lot of Gundams without blue. More white parts. Sorry, someone's ghetto Honda is driving by, so here you go. These are armor, and that's what I'm guessing. Excited to build this kit, man. Let's see, this looks like more inner frame parts. Oh no, I'm mistaken. Oh, maybe. Looks like a foot part too. Maybe some arm parts. These are mirrored, so they're the same, left and right. Or it could be reversed or whatever. It's pretty cool, man. I like it. You got your silver coated, chrome plated parts, if I can get out of the bag. Yeah. Did I? Okay, I just want to double check I didn't miss anything. Chrome plated. These are probably weapons or something some rods, steam rods, like the MK2. I like the rods on the MK2. I'm not too sure. Comment down below if I'm getting this right or wrong. Let me know. Still don't know what this is, but I think we opened a set of these before. Maybe. It could be armor. Defeat. And that is a trippy color. Really? Cut that shit. Are you overheating or something? Alright, camera died again. I guess I'm running out of space. We'll do this kind of fast. I like these colors. This is brown. And this is like more of a black gunmetal. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I dig the brown on this. Dig the brown. Maybe I have it on like a certain amount of intervals to save space. We got leg and arms and all that parts, armor parts again. It's pretty cool. Yeah, since my camera died, I hit the mic. Since my camera died, I just opened them already, so it'll be faster. I'm guessing more leg parts and inner frame. This is cool. I think I know what I want to do with this. I would keep it clean, but I'm in the business of customizing my Gundams just to get every ounce of fun out of it. Alright, so that's gonna be it for the unboxing part. Let me know in the comments below how do you like this kit and if it's easy to build. Because in the RG New Gundam, sorry about the whole messiness of this. I should lay them down like that. But yeah, in the RG New Gundam, I had difficulty because of the instructions having weird orientation. Oh, we forgot the stickers. Thanks for reminding me. So you got your normal, there's no water slides. You got your normal stickers, designs, IBO design. I forget what their squad was called, something Lotus or Rose or something. Yeah, let me know down in the comments below. So what I like to do is put it in the book so I don't lose it, and then put the book in a Ziploc bag, so just in case I spill paint and it won't go on it and everything, nothing's ruined. So yeah, let me know down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I have 6 whole subscribers. 5 whole subscribers. Sorry, I'm being too generous with myself. 5 whole subscribers. That's gonna be it. We're gonna take some cinematics and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Anyways, maybe if I do it like that. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I also have a special video in the works. Sorry it's dark. Here's my studio. Here's my studio. So, I have a special surprise. You can't see it, huh? Plaster of Paris. This thing is going to change your life in the next video. Hopefully. One of the videos coming up soon. Nah, yeah. Anyway, so I got this plaster of Paris. Go out now and buy you 4 pounds of plaster of Paris. Just 4 pounds. This is probably like $3 or $4. I'm not too sure. Bought a long time ago. Still good. I have half of it right now. I also have a. Can't really show you unless I turn the light on. Excuse the mess. I also have that big, gigantic bag. It's 25 pounds, if you guys can see. Net weight. Mixing cups, everything. All that, all the supplies. I'll make a video about all the supplies you need. What else? Have that. Also, I'm working on the review of the RG new Gundam. It's coming along slow. I had to panel line it and all that. But yeah, it's coming out slow. That'll probably be the next video. And then the plaster of Paris making how-to video, whatever. That'll probably be the next video, if anything. Also, I do want to try ASMR, like legit ASMR, like I'm going to whisper in your ear. You know, like all that creepy stuff. But with Gunpla. Bring out the nippers that are loud. Get some sanding sticks, all that. I have some zebra that I got it from USAGUNDAM. I just got the 100 by 150. Yeah, 100 by 800. It's all I need right now because I have a lot of 2000 grit sandpaper, 3000 grit sandpaper, a polishing compound, everything. Also, I wanted to make a video on maybe either this or the TR. You see it? Either this or the TR-1 Hazel. I'm just gonna call it Hazel Gundam. Yeah, I have that on how to weather and paint it. And what else was I gonna do? I had a list of things I was gonna do to it. So yeah, stay tuned for that video. Yeah, that's gonna be it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you don't mind. That'll really help me out. Yeah, that's it. Pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.